So welcome. In this video here we'll show you how to start using phpMyAdmin, which comes with your mouse platform. So again, you open your mouse platform, you launch your mouse platform. As you can see here, mouse is then launching Apache, the web server, and MySQL, the database. Now MySQL, the database, can be managed by means of a database management system. Mouse comes with one application called phpMyAdmin. It is written in PHP, hence the name, and phpMyAdmin allows you to manage the database. Let's see how. So let's go to our local web server running, and let's call our application phpMyAdmin, which interface looks like this. Now there are plenty of things in here that you might want to ignore, so just focus on what this system allows you to do. It gives you an idea of which databases or which instances of databases are running within your MySQL. You can create a new database here. You can create or retrieve and populate a database from a file you have previously exported. So one thing at a time. So this is the main interface here. Let's create a new database and let's call it, for instance, trial or trial DB. Let's create. Okay, so now we have a new database here. If we get back home, we could see that now we have an extra database with 0 tables inside. Okay, so we click on this. This is our new database. Let's assume that we want to create a new table on this database here. Okay, for instance, we want to create a table called customer. Number of fields, let's put only 4 fields. The first field I want to put in there is the primary key, the ID for customers. So I would say that that would be an integer. It has to be not null, and I want it to be auto increment. And if I click here, if I check this checkbox here, I'm telling the database that in this table here I'm creating, table customer, the ID field would be the primary key, auto-incrementing for any record to be saved in this table here. Then I can put as many other columns I like. In this case 4, but maybe I could add a new column later. So for instance, name. This is a varchar. I say 30 chars should do. And this, if I want, could be even now. I could have what name? Surname, for instance. Surname, another 30 chars, and again this could be null. I can also make, I don't know, for instance, date of birth. This time the data type would be date, and again I make it nullable. Okay, this means that not necessarily a value should be inserted in order to create a record, as I'll show you in a minute. So let's save this. Now we have a new table called customer. I wish you to notice here that we were returned after our command with the SQL command that allowed phpMyAdmin to create a new table called customer within MySQL. Okay? So there is here a palette menu we can use for using and working with that database. Okay, in this area here I can put my SQL query in order to retrieve any data I have put into my database. Okay, so for instance I can do this. There is already by default a query, select everything from customer where 1. Okay, go. I wouldn't expect any result because obviously we have no data in that. Okay.